tonight with an exclusive from the ABC 15 investigators.
So you think it's just, we've had enough of people, I guess, talking to ABC 15. We need to shut everybody up. That's what you're saying.
Exactly. Exactly what I'm saying.
That's a former prison lieutenant who was criminally charged for this takedown. The case raises serious questions. Was it a crime or was it retaliation for blowing the whistle? The county attorney's office argued the use of force was an assault because it hurt the prisoner's feelings.
That's not a joke. That's why the whistleblower wanted to sit down with ABC 15 Chief Investigator Dave Biskuping. He first brought you the part of that exclusive interview last week, and tonight Dave is back, showing you how this case compares with others officials say were justified.
First, I want to talk about what you kind of just went through, right? So, not one, but 2 trials.
This is former Prison Lieutenant Mark Haas, and it took 4 years for him to get to this moment.
The court finds the defendant, Mark Haas, on the charge of count 1, aggravated assault, not guilty.
It all began in March 2020. Haas blew the whistle against the state prison director for blocking staff from wearing masks. In July that year, that's when this incident happened. In September, Haas was fired and criminally charged with aggravated assault. The first trial ended in a mistrial late last year. The jury hung a 6-2 vote in favor of acquittal. As for the next trial, it didn't have a jury. The county attorney's office didn't want one the second time around. So there was a bench trial with just a judge deciding.
You are free to go.
So the county attorney's office tried to convict you without a jury of your peers. What do you think that says?
You know, the county attorney's office, I think they're bad people. The people involved in this case lied the entire time. They knew they couldn't win with a jury because what they were telling was lies.
All right, this is time set for a final trial management conference.
Haas says one of the things that bothered him most was seeing prosecutors change their story from one trial to the next. During our interview, he told us at first MCAO claimed the alleged assault was a big pre-planned scheme, but in the second trial, they claimed it was more spur of the moment.
I'll go watch both closings. That's a big change of theory.
Yes.
We pulled the video, and you can watch for yourself. This is MCAO prosecutor Adriana Jenko in trial 1.
He wanted to teach Peralta a lesson. Don't address the nurse, don't disrespect the nurse.
For background, Haas and his supervisor went to go speak to inmate Martin Peralta because he reportedly threatened a nurse.
He was familiar with that camera, where it was located, and what kind of quality it was going to put out. He knew who was working, he knew who was in the control room. He had knowledge of everything before he went to Peralta's cell.
Jenko left MCAO after the first trial. She now works for the U.S. Attorney's Office, but her fellow prosecutor handled the second trial. Here's his closing.
That at the point of handcuffing, essentially, that's where the intent starts. That's where you can see it. Being taken down to the ground, that is the criminal act. That is where there's an intent to insult, provoke. Maybe not necessarily injure. Taking someone down by surprise certainly is going to subject them to some sort of insult or injury, not in the physical sense, but injury in the sense of like ego. Victim inmate testified that he did feel a little bit of belittling, demeaning.
A quote, injury to the inmate's ego. And about that inmate, Martin Peralta's got 2 convictions for armed robbery, plus others for aggravated assault and car theft. He's also got prison discipline for fighting, assault, possessing a weapon, among others.
How often would you say force like that gets used in the state prison system? Daily?
All the time.
Haas and his attorneys say if his use of force was a crime, it means law enforcement officers at all levels are committing assaults every day, from police on the street to officers in jails in prison. Now, here's just a few examples about how officials handled other cases. Glendale officers tasered this man 11 times. That includes a final tase where officers pulled down his shorts and stunned him in the groin. MCAO cleared that officer. Then there's this one from the county jail. During a mental health crisis, this man was arrested for trespassing. Video shows officers pulled out his feet, then piled on and stayed on him for 3 minutes. They just left him, face down and motionless, and he was later pronounced dead at the hospital. And now, a couple from inside prison. This restrained elderly inmate was slammed to the ground And then this supervisor kicked him in the head. This incident, in a way, is kind of the opposite. It shows prison inmates attacking an officer. It lasts almost 2 minutes. At one point, they even kicked his head like a football. And back when we got this leaked video, we discovered the state never referred those inmates for prosecution. And then there's this case. Arizona's former prison director got in an armed standoff with police. Officers say he pointed a gun at them, but MCAO offered a plea deal just for disorderly conduct. Prosecutors never pursued an aggravated assault charge. That's because County Attorney Rachel Mitchell personally felt he was too drunk to know what he was doing and didn't deserve to be charged with aggravated assault. So let's get back to court.
Injury in the sense of like ego.
At MCAO's case against Haas for aggravated assault.
I think they were given some sort of direction to get me at all costs. And I had a lot of faith in the system as a lieutenant. I mean, I really thought those guys all belonged there. But then I woke up.
I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
Dave, thank you. In a statement, the county attorney's office denied there was any retaliation in this case. When asked about whether more officers will be charged for injuring people's egos, MCAO wrote, the MCAO standard for prosecution of all cases is a reasonable likelihood of conviction. No one investigates our criminal justice system like Dave. See all of his award-winning coverage on this case and dozens of other investigations right now on your favorite streaming app.